Welcome back, future cloud architects and certification champions. Today, we're about to map out your journey to one of the most valuable IT certifications in the world, the AWS Solutions Architect Associate. If you're looking to boost your career, increase your earning potential, and master the art of cloud architecture, this video is your complete roadmap. We'll break down why this certification is a game changer, what you need to know, and how to prepare step by step. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up, let's architect your certification success together and set you on the path to cloud excellence. The AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification is more than just a piece of paper, it's a true career transformer. This credential validates your ability to design distributed systems on AWS, making you instantly more valuable to employers and opening doors to higher-paying roles. Think of it as your cloud architect license, proving you can create solutions that are secure, reliable, high-performing, and cost-effective. With this certification, you're not just learning technology, you're demonstrating your ability to translate business needs into technical solutions, which is exactly what companies are looking for in today's cloud-driven world. Why should you get AWS certified? The impact is real. Certified professionals earn 20% more on average, and there are 5 times more job postings mentioning AWS certification compared to non-certified roles. This credential is recognized as the gold standard in cloud certifications and is a proven path to senior cloud positions. You'll master designing highly available, cost-effective systems, implementing secure applications, and selecting the right AWS services for any scenario. Plus, you'll learn to estimate costs and control spending. AWS offers several certification levels, but the Solutions Architect Associate is your target for maximum career impact. Let's break down the AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam. The current version, SAA C03, lasts 130 minutes and consists of 65 multiple-choice or multiple-response questions. The cost is $150 USD, and while the exact passing score isn't published, it's typically around 720 out of 1,000. The exam covers 4 main domains: designing secure architectures, resilient architectures, high-performing architectures, and cost-optimized architectures. Expect questions on EC2, S3, VPC, RDS, IAM, Lambda, and CloudFront, as well as security best practices, cost optimization, and disaster recovery. Scenario-based questions test your ability to solve real-world problems using AWS services. Success comes from a solid study plan. Here's your 8-week roadmap. In weeks 1 to 2, build your foundation with daily theory, tutorial videos, and hands-on labs. Weeks 3 to 4 are for deep diving into core services like EC2, Lambda, S3, RDS, and VPC. In weeks 5 to 6, focus on advanced concepts such as security, monitoring, and architecture patterns like multi-tier and serverless. The final weeks, 7 to 8, are dedicated to practice exams, reinforcing weak areas, and mastering exam strategies. Remember, consistency is key. 2 hours daily is far more effective than cramming. Stick to the plan, and you'll be ready for exam day. To pass the exam and excel in your cloud career, you must master key AWS services. For compute, focus on EC2, Lambda, ECS, and Elastic Beanstalk. For storage, know S3, EBS, EFS, and Storage Gateway. Database essentials include RDS, DynamoDB, Redshift, and Aurora. Networking knowledge should cover VPC, Route 53, CloudFront, and API Gateway. Don't forget security services like IAM, KMS, WAF, and Shield, as well as management tools such as CloudWatch and CloudTrail. For each service, understand core concepts like instance types, pricing models, storage classes, subnetting, and security best practices. Learning by doing is crucial. Set up hands-on labs to reinforce your knowledge. Start with a 3-tier web application. Create a VPC with public and private subnets. Launch web and application servers. Set up an RDS database. And configure load balancing and auto-scaling. Try static website hosting with S3, CloudFront, and Route 53. Or build a serverless app using Lambda, API Gateway, and DynamoDB. Practice WordPress deployment and disaster recovery scenarios. Most labs can be done within the AWS free tier, but always monitor your usage and clean up resources to avoid unexpected costs. Approach the exam with a clear strategy. Read each question twice to ensure you understand what's being asked. Eliminate obviously wrong answers and look for keywords like most cost-effective or most secure. Always consider the AWS well-architected framework pillars and choose solutions that follow best. Practices. Manage your time. You have about 2 minutes per question, so flag tough ones and return later. Avoid common pitfalls like overthinking, choosing on-premises solutions, or ignoring cost optimization. For scenario-based questions, identify key requirements and constraints, and select the most appropriate AWS solution. Once you pass the exam, your journey is just beginning. Immediately update your LinkedIn and resume to showcase your new certification. Join AWS communities and user groups to network and stay connected. Consider targeting roles like Cloud Architect, Solutions Architect, DevOps Engineer, or Cloud Consultant. Entry-level salaries start around $80,000, with senior roles reaching $180,000 or more. Remember, your certification is valid for 3 years, so plan for recertification or higher-level exams. Stay updated with new AWS services and keep learning to maintain your edge in the fast-evolving cloud landscape. On exam day, test your computer and internet connection, clear your workspace, and have your ID ready. During the exam, read questions carefully, use the flag feature for review, and manage your time wisely. After the exam, you'll get preliminary results right away and official results within 5 business days. Celebrate your achievement and share your success on professional networks. Remember, the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification is a milestone, not the finish line. The real value comes from applying your knowledge to solve real-world business problems. Every cloud expert started as a beginner. Take your first step today.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.